Central Lead Management System (CLMS). The application has been developed with the objective to tone down the current problems and difficulties of lead generation. It is an initiative to manage lead inquiries efficiently. The application will help to manage all the functions of business process smoothly and effectively. It is a primary gateway where leads are collected from different channels which are then auto-assigned to executives based on their regions and verticals. CLMS is a web portal which covers a broad set of functionalities designed to manage following business process such as customer inquiry, lead generation, lead assignment, and lead dedupe. CLMS application will help manage leads from creation to approval with defined TAT for allocation and unique algorithm for automatic allocation. At the end of this module, you will be able to identify different sources of lead creation, generate leads through web portal, dealer portal, walk-in customer, assign the leads to executives, perform lead dedupe after generating lead, upload bulk lead generation. The walk-in process for lead generation is for customers who directly walk into branches and may be prospective customers. Any branch personnel can create this lead through the MMFSL web portal. The branch personnel have the rights to assign these leads to respective executives. In case the lead is not assigned, it will flow to CLMS and call center executive will assign the same after relevant customer information has been collected. Let's see the process. Open web portal. Log in using credentials. Click on MMFSL web and select lead inquiry. Your SAP code will auto-populate. If not, enter SAP code. Select new or existing customer from the drop-down option. Enter the contract number if the customer is existing customer. The field will get disabled if selected new customer. Enter customer name, enter mobile number, select vertical from drop-down options. Select branch as per customer address. MMFSL executive name will auto-populate based on the availability of vertical, branch or PIN code as employee linked to these parameters. In the absence of these fields, allocation will be handled manually. Note, for verticals AS, FES, CV, DMT, PCL, SOT, PL, GL, RDG, lead will allocate to BM. If it is car loans, it will be allocated to ABMs. Select contract type, enter manufacturer name in asset make, enter vehicle name in asset required, click on submit. A dialog box will appear generating inquiry ID. Now this inquiry will flow to assigned executive for further process. As we have seen inquiry generation process through various channels, now let us see how these inquiries are further processed in different applications by the assigned executives and call center executives.
Executives will receive SMS with application number. So he has to enter the application number in MLAP.
Call center lead generation fields for CLMS. Call center executive will process the leads in CLMS which may have incomplete information in order to get lead auto-assigned to executives. Example, customer has made an inquiry through customer portal but has not selected the loan vertical. In such cases, call center executive will contact customer to authenticate the lead and enter the required information. Log into CLMS using credentials. This is the dashboard of CLMS. Note, the dashboard is continually updated as it is linked to database. The dashboard is easier for you to see a clear picture of the task assigned to you and your immediate subordinates' work. All the pending leads are displayed on the dashboard, which makes it easier for you to make decisions. From the main menu, go to Sales. Go to Inquiry and select Inquiry from the submenu. You can see the inquiries from the different channels generated in the inquiry page. Select particular inquiry by clicking on checkbox on which you have to work on. You can search lead in the Search for Records field. You can also see the date of lead generation on inquiry list. Following are the fields to be filled by the call center which are being considered for lead generation fields in CLMS of that particular inquiry. On the right side, you can see inquiry ID, LMS status, application number and duplicate flag. All fields marked in asterisks are mandatory. Let's see basic lead detail process. In source field, source of the lead generation, that is dealer, walk-in, web, etc. will be auto-populated. Name of the customer will get auto-populated. If not, you can enter. Again, the mobile number of the customer will auto-populate. If not, you can enter. Validations have been applied to this field and an invalid data message will pop up if incorrect number or format has been entered. If customer had selected the branch in inquiry portal, it will be displayed here. Else, select the appropriate branch from the drop-down menu. Vertical will get auto-populated. If not, select vertical from the drop-down option. Select contract type, new or used from the drop-down option. Enter entity type. In entity code, show the name of dealer, broker, salesman as per their codes. Preferred executives will auto-populate. Assign to will auto-populate. Select next meeting date with the customer. Select expected to close date as per customer's preference. Select inquiry status from the drop-down option. Now all the leads from the CLMS will be pushed to Field Mobile App, BHHD, BYOD or MLAP. If user is registered on FI app, BHHD or BYOD, they will be entering the basic details in respective devices or it will go directly to MLAP for basic lead info entry. Note, ABM will have the option to reassign the unattended or unaccepted leads to a different executive. Executive will pull back the leads and assign to another executive. Dealer logs in using credentials. Go to Business panel on left, select Generate Inquiry Leads. Here you can see lead generation page. Entity type, entity name or code and vertical will be auto-populated as per dealer. Enter customer's mobile number, name and PIN code. After entering PIN code, select city from the auto drop-down options. Taluka, district, state will get auto-populated on the basis of PIN code. Select nearby branch from the drop-down options as per customer's address. Enter manufacturer name on asset make field. Enter product name in asset required field. Select MFSL executive from drop-down option to further process. If customer name, mobile number, branch, vertical, lead source, contract type not available in dealer portal, it will directly get allocated to call center. Click on Submit. Inquiry number will be generated upon submitting the details. Now this inquiry will be assigned to the executive to whom the dealer has selected in the dealer portal. Assigned executive will continue the process in their respective applications such as MLAP, BHHD, MApps, etc.
Executives will receive SMS with application number. So he has to enter the application number in MLAP.
Bulk upload. Leads generated through different channels and campaigns can also be uploaded in bulk in Excel format. Open the inquiry portal. Click on Bulk Upload on right side. Bulk inquiry page will be displayed. Click here to download template for bulk upload. Open the downloaded Excel format and fill the given details. Enter customer name, mobile number, asset name. Select vertical from drop-down option. You can directly assign the inquiry to executive by entering SAP code. If assigned to is left blank, the uploaded data will be directly routed to the call center for further processing. Select state from drop-down option. Enter source of the lead. Save the file in your computer. Now click on choose the file and select the file location from your computer and click on upload the file. The uploaded files will be displayed in bulk imported list with all the details. Now, assigned executive will work on the leads assigned to them in their respective applications.